Hello, welcome back, and please stay with me. I'm going to show you how I make my cupcakes. And kindly check the description box below, okay? Here I have some butter, some milk, eggs, baking powder and salt, granulated sugar, some flour, and vanilla and lemon essence. Now I'm going to cream this butter for 5 minutes. I'm just scraping the sides of the pan just so that all the butter will be well mixed. Now I'm adding 1 egg and mix. You want to add the eggs one at a time. I also did add the sugar. I'm going to be adding another egg. And now the last egg. Give it a good mix. And then I'm now going to be adding the milk into this mixture. After doing so, I'm going to be adding the vanilla extract and the almond extract. Now add the flour, baking powder and salt a little at a time. While this is being done, the oven is set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to place the paper cups into the pan and make sure I spoon the batter into the cups with just about 1/3 full. And bake this for about 80 minutes. And once it's done, insert a toothpick into the cake, and once it comes out clean, you know that your cake is finished. Set aside and let it cool for another 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, we are going to be doing some decorations here. And this is what my cupcake looks like. What a beautiful color. It's tasty, it's moist, guys. Now it's time to decorate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also press that notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload another video. And these are my beautiful cupcakes. Look at them. I've just placed some Smarties onto this, and this is so different, guys. Place them into the box, and I'm ready to give it to the owner. Thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn, and I will see you in my next video.